A brainstorm slide lets your participants put forward ideas and vote for their favorites from the group. A brainstorm is made up of 3 stages. Stage 1 is submission. Your participants submit their ideas to your brainstorm. Stage 2 is voting. Your participants see all of their ideas submitted and vote for their favorites. Stage 3 is result. All the ideas are presented in order of how many votes they received. To make a brainstorm, create a new slide and select Brainstorm as your slide type. Write your brainstorm question or topic in the box labeled Your Question. If you want more information from your participants while they're voting, you can request it with these additional fields. You can set how many votes each participant has to vote on ideas, and you can also choose to allow each participant to submit multiple ideas. Present your brainstorm by pressing the Present button and sharing your QR code with your audience. Once they've scanned the code, they will join at stage 1 and can start submitting their ideas immediately. When the ideas are in, press Next to move to the voting stage. You can hide the votes during this stage to make the reveal more dramatic. Press Next again to show how many votes each idea received and to highlight the winning idea for your audience. Now, let's start with the question.